and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Erica. I create beauty videos as well as lifestyle, natural hair videos, and I also do vlogs, so definitely check those out. So today we are going to be doing a lash video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply lashes, as well as give tips, and we're going to be trying out a lash hat. So if you want to learn how to apply lashes, or you're struggling, or you just kind of want to learn some new tips and tricks, stay tuned. So you're going to need a mirror, some scissors, tweezers, some mascara, your favorite lash glue, and of course the lashes. Alright guys, so we're going to just jump right into this video. So like I said, we are doing lashes today, okay? Lashes is taking over the world, okay? Right now we ball. We're gonna amp it up a little bit. But yes, lashes is taking over the world. Everybody wants lash extensions or just want to learn how to apply lashes. And I am bougie on a budget. I am a firm believer in being bougie on a budget. So I do not get lash extensions done. I never had it done. I like to apply my lashes and take them off when I'm ready to go to bed. Honestly, that's just me. But anyways, the first thing, we're gonna go into great detail about applying lashes. I don't want to make this a lengthy video, but I want to make sure I tell you guys right and give you the best tips and tricks so your lash experience, especially as a beginner, is not so bad. That's all I'm gonna say. It takes practice, but there's ways around it. So starting off, you got your lashes, and you want to remove your lashes from the pack. Now the best way to remove your lashes from the pack is simply by taking your thumb, press, and pulling down gently. You do not want to rip your lashes. You don't. So remove that. And I'm going to do the right side first, because I think I want to try another tip on this eye, but we'll see. So once you get your lash and you have your mirror, you want to measure your lash. Now, another thing about applying lashes and the mistakes that we all make is that we don't measure our lashes and make them fit us. These lashes come in one size, I guess, but everybody's eye shape is totally different. I have an almond eye shape. My eye's a little bit smaller. So you want to take and measure that lash out the way. And you want to start from the inner corner. There is no glue on this lash. I pulled it straight out the pack. And you want to measure. Now, measuring this lash, I'm noticing, if I can get it on right, that it's a bit too long on the outside. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna have to trim it. So step 1 is taking it out the package. Step 2 is measuring it to see if it fits your eye shape. I wanted to get close and personal because I want to get this right. So the tool that I said you're gonna need is the scissors, and then you're gonna need your tweezers. I find that tweezers work the best than my little fingers because they can get the lashes into places that my fingers cannot, especially if you have like long nails. Tweezers are your best friend. I used to be afraid of tweezers just by putting on lashes. I don't know, but I prefer to use them. So we're still measuring. You just want to take it and just apply how you would apply a lash. And I might need my fingers just to measure. But anyways, the lash is too long. I want it to start here and kind of in there. And I just kind of just put my finger where I want to cut that lash. So I'm gonna trim it. And people are like, oh, you're cutting your lashes. Yes, I'm cutting my lashes because if you trim the lash and it fits you perfectly, you won't have to worry about lifting. Okay? That's one problem you can fix. just by measuring. So I'm measuring once again. Alright, so we done took the lash out the pack, we've trimmed it, and now we're just going to be applying the glue. Now the glue that I chose to use for this video is the Kids Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. This is in clear and it's also latex free. I recently just started using this glue and I absolutely love it. I normally use the Ardell glue. It's like the black glue. And I find, if you're a beginner, get something with a wand so you can apply it easy. I promise this will make it better. I wish somebody would have told me this, but you know, you learn. Get something with the wand. So you have your lashes with the tweezers. This is why the tweezers come in handy. Oh, I'm like talking fast because I do that. And we're going to be just painting the lash line. And I like to put a good amount on. And you can also apply a layer of glue, let it kind of dry a little bit, and then apply a second layer if you want your lashes to be extra strong. I normally do that if I'm going to be wearing lashes all day. So you want to make sure you apply the glue thoroughly. And normally I would set a timer on my phone or like on my Apple Watch to like 50 seconds. You want to wait 50 seconds, and this ensures that the glue is tacky. I know some people are like, oh, I don't feel like counting or waiting. If you are a beginner, I promise, wait 50 seconds. I know the packet says 30. Don't do 30. 30 don't work. It still be wet. Don't do 60 seconds because it'll be too dry. I don't know, it's weird. 50 seconds. So kind of fan it around, and while we wait, we're going to apply mascara. Mascara is very essential. It kind of just coats the lash. It just preps it for the lashes. I apologize if I sound like I'm out of breath. I don't know if I have allergies or cold. I just know the pollen count is extremely high here, and I don't know. My allergies have been kicking my butt for like 2 weeks now. So the lashes are coated, and we're still gonna be waiting. Now, if you are like a makeup artist or aspiring makeup artist who's going to be putting other people's lashes on, I highly advise you not to blow on their lashes. That's going to go on their eye. Just simply get a little fan or just fan it. Or wait, please don't blow on these people's lashes. They're going to look at you like you're crazy. And you can also test if it's tacky just by simply touching it, and it is tacky and it is ready. So you want to take your mirror. I like to look down into the mirror, and then take your tweezers and your lash. You want to apply the center first. Let me get a good grip on it. Sometimes you have to adjust the way you have your tweezers just to get a good grip. Lord. As close as possible. Okay, and then I like to go in the inner corner and adjust. And just take your time. And then we're going on the outer corner to adjust as well. Now, if you have curly lashes, like your natural lashes are curly, you probably can skip the mascara step. My mirror's playing tricks on me. Alright guys, so the glue has dried on this particular side. Looks pretty good. I'm feeling it. Are we feeling this? So on this eye, I wanted to try a tip I seen on this YouTuber called Beats by Deb. If you are not subscribing to her channel or following her Instagram, you need to be following this girl. She's the go, okay? So I'm gonna be trying how she did her lash. She did a lash video as well, where she, I don't think it's nothing new. I think this is old, but it's just kind of resurfacing. She took the lash glue and applied it like liner and had it stick that way. I'm gonna try that. I can't remember the steps all the way through, but anyways, we're gonna be trying it. So again, we're gonna take the lashes out the pack, and I gotta measure. So lashes out the pack. You want to measure both eyes, because you might be like me. You might have a lazy eye. I have a lazy eye. You might have a lazy eye like me, and everybody knows one eye is bigger. So anyways, let's measure. So I'm gonna apply the glue here. I believe this is how she did it. Okay, so she applied her glue on her lash band first. And with this type of thing, you always want to use a clear lash glue, because it's gonna dry clear, since we're putting it directly on the lash line. So while we wait for that to dry, I'm just gonna prop it up over her. We're gonna take the lash glue and we're gonna apply it like eyeliner. So this is my first time trying this out, so let's see. And I'm trying to get where I'm not blocking, what y'all can see. I don't want y'all to not be able to see it. And it's okay if you get it on your lashes. At least I think so. I'm saying that because we're going to be putting mascara on, y'all. Okay? I'm testing this out. This is my first time, so. Okay, we got that on there. Lord Jesus. Okay. I think I got it on there good. And now we're gonna apply mascara. And this method, you don't have to use a timer, honestly, because this is over 50 seconds. So we're just gonna coat everything. Okay, let's see how this is gonna work, y'all. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm excited. Okay, we're doing this left-handed. And I don't want to block it, so I'm doing it like this. Oh, that popped right on, y'all. I don't want to block y'all. Oh, crap. Okay, I gotta get this inner corner right. So I'm trying not to block it, because I blocked the first time. What's this? Over. Y'all. I like it. Like, the glue was perfectly tacky. Everything was ready and prepped, and it seemed faster as well. I don't know. We gotta see how this dry time go. Just trying to hurry and get it dry. Y'all, I really like that method. That was quick. I might be onto this side because that was super quick. Like, I like the way I do it, but I feel a difference in this eye. Like, this lash feels so much secure. I feel like I can go outside on a windy day and just know this lash is not going anywhere. Now this side is not, it doesn't feel as tight. I like feeling, I know it sounds crazy, but I like for my lashes kind of feel tight. That's because I know it'll be secure. And as this is drying, bruh. I like it. Oh, shout out to her. I am forever changed. Oh man, that is dope. Alright, so the last thing we're going to do is apply mascara to the bottom lashes, because you don't want to look, I'm gonna say super top heavy, because some days I don't mind. So you guys, this is a look. This is so just everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this was super helpful for you guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell for future uploads. Like, girl, 2020, we're taking off. Join the Airy gang. I appreciate you guys for tuning in once again, and I will see you guys in my next video.